Hello everyone, just bought this from Amazon. It's a used very good item. Cost me £51.50. Hunter, that's him there, he's been molting, and this was only, like I say, £51.50 I think it was at the time. I think it's just gone back up now to £65 for a used very good. I thought I'd get a used one to see how they are, because with Amazon they do a 30-day return policy, so I'm guessing that someone's only had it for a short time, maybe 30 days at the most, before they've returned it. Come and have a look. Okay. Oh, you have to the lanyard. This is kind of going to be an unboxing, to see what it looks like. It's going to be used, so I'd be interested to see what it actually, if it's still dirty or anything. Definitely been opened before. All this sellotape on here. Hopefully it's been looked at by them guys and make sure that it's still in good here. As you can see, first thing out of the box, the handle looks pretty good. Looks clean. The attachments, they definitely have to say that you'll get all parts with it for that price when they're used very good. That's the description. Used good, used very good, used like new. Too much, because obviously I've got 30 days. I'm not completely happy with it. But that looks absolutely spotless. Now I'd say that's not even been used. Push down, bring that up, push down, release it. There's a catch at the back to take it out and use it. There's a wand. Smallest, lightest vacuum cleaner in the world, apparently. I don't know, I've never had it up right. Right off the bat, unless it don't work, it looks fine. Absolutely fine, looks brand new. And that's a used, very good one. And to have another look, not too sure. But like I say, the cylinder is not got any dirt in there at all. It's not macro vision, so I better hold it back a little bit. Not sure if I lose my warranty on this 6-year warranty. Buying it second hand, you have to have proof of purchase when you send that off. And obviously my receipt is from Amazon is going to show it as a used very good. I'm guessing it's not going to say new, and that's when VAX may not honour that, but you check that out, that's not been used. When I turn this on, the cat's going to jump out his skin and run for the hills. But yeah, I thought I'd video this so everyone knows what they're getting from Amazon. I'll say I bought this as a used item. I think the recommended retail was 109. Hunter checking out the vacuum cleaner. Do we turn it on, Hunter? Hunter, do we turn it on? So there we go. That's the VAX U91. There's loads of newer versions of this out already, but I was after something which will get Hunter's hairs off the carpet. And like I say, the carpet is a right mess. A before and after video of the carpet. I think this is going to be really loud. I don't think anyone listens to a vacuum cleaner being used. I could be wrong. There is a separate button on this, just quickly. I've seen a review on the YouTube before. Now that's the power button, and this is the brush bar button. So you could actually leave it off. That is not as loud as I thought it was going to be. I'm very impressed with that. I thought it was going to be a lot louder, but the brush bar isn't on. I'm sure it might make a lot more noise when that's turned on. Well, that sucked it up straight away. Look at that. Look at this in here, look. I don't know if you can see that. I've never had it up right before. guys can see that very well on the camera. That's where I've been. See the line? I mean, the carpet was really covered in hair because I've left it a week. There we go. Hunter's new present, early Christmas present or birthday present. I can't remember what I said it was going to be. It's his birthday next week, so let's say Hunter's birthday present. I bought him a vax for his bloody cat hair. He ain't enjoying it though, and that has picked up loads. Yeah, that's ready for emptying already. That's stick to there. Stick to there, and then here is just the long hair, so it's all the dust in the bottom. That long hair is a bit further up, but it looks like it's ready to be emptied. There we go, after one use. That's over a week's worth of cat hair and dust, waiting for this to arrive. And first performance, very good. Can't believe how quick that picked that up. Give the carpet a good going over. Can't see any cat hairs. On the Vax U91.